Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys where you can find items after the Halloween update. I know sometimes the items are like randomly placed, and I'll show you like where the items went. So the things that have been confusing me is where the like flowers went, and I thought it was going to be where the accessories are, but it's actually here underneath those like jean shorts. I don't know what these are called, but they're actually here. I've been trying to struggle like finding them because like I'm not looking there. And the rest of the accessories is here, which I find like strange because like maybe they should have put the flower like right here so we know it's like there, but everything else is here, like all the Halloween accessories that they have. And one more thing is probably the cat's tail in the VIP section. I like know where the rest of the items are because the VIP room isn't that big, but like I couldn't for the life of me find where the cattail went. So it's actually here next to the changing rooms. You're just going to select kitty tail here, and that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!